Here. There's get some fit. We're gonna be getting some action there. Oh, it's so close. It is. Oh, it is pretty big. The big car. Bass boys.
Oh! Got one right in front of us.
Yeah, this is the one, I guarantee it.
Holy fuck, guys. You got a fucking bass.
Whoa, what the frick is that? Man, it looks so light, almost looks like a creep show.
Jesus. Look at that bass. I just want to fucking hold it. You got it like 5 feet away from us.
Yeah, I told you there was something. There was something right there. Nice little bass there. I don't think we caught him last time. Because he doesn't have any marks in his
How
lip.
you get one 5 feet?
Do you want to hold this one? Go, that won't stick to those.
Really?
Because they're not sticking to me, see?
Oh, it won't?
Here, I'll let you hold it. Let Ryan
wait.
hold this. Have something? We'll let Ryan hold it and see if he can accomplish releasing it. You know, do the same thing. I'll hold him for you. Put some mouth, come in there and it's soft.
Oh, it's gonna stick. It's gonna stick.
Mine doesn't. Well, it kind of does. Here, just try it again. How about this? Just grab him and then be careful when you release him so it doesn't stick. Like, get it like his gums. Because it's not sharp there, like his tongue. You can press his tongue.
Really?
Got him?
Got him.
Okay, there we go, guys. Ryan holding the bass. Right now, do it like really gently so maybe hopefully it doesn't stick to your glove.
Oh, barely.
Here we go.
Freaking stuck still.
You go, Ryan did it though. Again. This time without going like this. The bass comes back at him. I don't get these fish in this pond. They like bite. You have something?
Maybe.
You feel it? I mean, you'll feel it. Watch your line too. But yeah, again, I'm gonna end this clip here. I'm gonna restart.
I'll get shit out. Don't worry.
You won't though.
I ain't getting no bass today.
You might.
I'm not getting no bass today. I'm just bad at fishing.
Well, it's the winter. This for the summer, you've been getting hits in past. Oh!
Got it. Got it.
Oh yeah.
Trap, baby. You got your second one. God, you'll be getting the hits. Jesus.
Little bass right here. Heck, your line or my lines and on my phone. We know our lines are crossed.
God, kid, that was you. I thought I had a bass on. Freaking bite me.
It's a fat one. Old guy barely hooked him. Hooked him in like the skin. Bass. Wait, don't. Are we tied still? No? Good?
For a minute, I thought a bass on
Oh, nice little bass right here. Still catching them in December. But that one
Why
hit.
can I get one?
That one hit like very
Boy.
suddenly, but this is a small bass. Not so
Touch
big.
the bass. I want to feel it.
Nice chunker right here. Put him back. do the bass release on the Bass Boys. There he goes to find his way. Oh!
Got him?
Oh yeah.
You got a bass.
Oh!